this is JV back here with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing Misfits to show you what will be inside. So yeah, the box is right there. Since this is during the coronavirus outbreak time, I'm going to be using a lot of Clorox wipes to wipe my hands. So here's the boxes right here, and it comes with how to store your, where you store all your fruits and vegetables. And then here has it has a ice pack and this paper thing for insulation. And in here is all of the produce. So I think I'm just gonna lay this down over here. So first of all, let's there's a lot in here. So I think this is organic curly parsley. So yeah, we got a lot of that. Happy about that because we like parsley. Here is this looks like kale. So I have kale and more kale. Like kale too. This is I think this is a zucchini from Mexico. That's good. This is an acorn squash. I've never tried this, but it looks interesting. There are some cucumbers in here. There's quite a bit actually. A couple broke, looks like, in the process of shipping here. Yep, there is some more zucchini. More. Mango. We got some mango. Yeah. Oh gosh. What is this? This looks like a jalapeno, but I don't know. So we got jalapenos. 3 of those things, I guess. This is a mango again. So I think we've got a bunch of mangoes. Yes, they had a lot of extra mangoes. More mangoes. Oops. Whoa. I think that was just all the fruits. So I'm just going to show you one of everything that we got. This looks like a turnip. I don't really know. So that's something. There are yellow squash, sweet potatoes, I love it. In here, this looks like a radish. Yeah, pretty sure it's a radish. So I got that. What else is different that's in here? I think this might be ginger. Yeah, got a bunch of those. And this looks like some, oh no, that's the radish. We got a lot of onions, white. More jalapeno things, and yeah, that's basically all we got. I might have more or less of other things, but yeah, that's about everything. So yeah, another one of these. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I say Misfits is a really good thing. It's nice and cheap, and it's good, perfect for quarantine. So yeah, bye.